Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new digital microscope. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. When I first looked into it, I think this is more like a beginner digital microscope, but here's your user manual. There's part of the display right here. Some of the accessories for it. It does have a USB to Type-C. You will need to hook up to either a computer or some kind of a display. Some more of the equipment for it, and then the base for it right here. That's everything in the box. All right, so let's actually go ahead and put it together. So we'll just lock this right into here. Perfect. And here's where the microscope will go. All right, so I ended up taking it from the bottom and then inserting it this way just because this side has that little top, so it's kind of getting in the way. But now that I did it through the other way, I was able to get it on there, so now it'll go up and down. So I'll just go ahead and put it back. Perfect. And now we should just be able to put this right on here. And this. And then it's set. So now let's go ahead and turn it on. There it is. Welcome. It does have a built-in battery, as you can see. We actually hook it up to the computer so you can see it on the bigger display. It's a 4.3-inch display, so you don't actually need another one. And I'm going to hook it up to my laptop just to see how easy it is. But it does have, it can store up to 100 photos on here with the memory that comes with it. But it does have a micro SD card slot right here that does support up to 64 gigs. Here's where you'll charge it. It takes about 3 hours to fully charge, and then it'll last you about 3.5 hours. It's come with 8 LED bulbs, and the way you control it is just right through here. So it doesn't even matter if you're like not in a well-lit area. Turn it back up so you can see that. So that's at the brightest. And obviously you can turn it all the way down. So we'll just have it at the brightest setting just so you can see it. So honestly, right off the bat, it just seems like a really easy to use digital microscope. The magnification on here is 50 times up to 1,000 times as well. And you are able to adjust the focus of it as well. Once I hook it up to my laptop, I'll show you just so the picture could just be a little clearer for the video. So let's hook it up to the laptop. It should be pretty simple. Let's see. It does come with a USB to Type-C cable already, so that's what I'll go ahead and use. Go ahead and plug our Type-C cable right here. Plug it into our laptop. I am using Windows, but it does also work with Mac OS. As you can see, you have two options, memory or PC camera. So we'll go ahead and go to PC camera and hit OK. So as you can see, PC camera is on there. So I'll go into the laptop. So just to go to the camera application on your computer. All right, and there it is. All right, so let's actually put something underneath that 2 million pixel camera on here. I'm just gonna put a coin on there. See how that looks. So we are able to adjust this either up or down. Maybe a little more down. Put it about there. Just, wow, that looks really good. So whether it's insects, coins, just anything that you're trying to look under a microscope, this will actually do it pretty well. Like I said, then putting it onto the laptop screen just makes it look that much better. Like I said, but if not, like I said, that display on there works just as good. Let's go ahead and flip it over. So as you can see, once I flipped it over, it just looks really good on here. Like I said, we're able to adjust the lighting on it as well. You won't actually need any extra lights. If you guys are looking for a new microscope, definitely look into this one, whether you're into just like it's for hobbies, for fun. We're trying to inspect like circuit boards, coins, anything like that. Definitely look into this digital microscope. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.